today. Do a little bit of formation flying with Aeronca Champ. So lots of constant power adjustments here, and not taking my eyes off of Mike over there. So we had a good brief about this on the ground prior to departure. That's a legal requirement. Make sure everybody knows what their responsibilities are. And Mike's leading right now, so he's responsible for looking out for other traffic and for navigating us. And that's where his attention is just on flying the airplane at a constant speed, constant heading, or shallow turns as he sees fit, and navigating us and looking out for other traffic. And my job is to not take my eyes off of Mike, and I just hold station and adjust power and pitch and everything else to stay at a safe distance from him and not collide into him.
How do you read me now? How do you read me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
That works better.
Yeah, it sure does.